Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Wix strips. So, strips on Wix help structure your layout, but sometimes they glitch or misalign. Here's how to fix a strips problem quickly and cleanly. Check if the strips is misaligned, not displaying properly or affecting your layout. Use preview mode to view the issue before editing. So, step 2 is going to your Wix dashboard, clicking on Edit Site and navigating to the Wix editor. Click the strip and then hit Change Strip Background to adjust color and image. So for example, this is a strip. I will click here, I will click on Change Background and I will choose color, and this will instantly change color for this strip. I can choose any kind of color I want, or if I would want a background, I'll click on Image and choose another background. Now under Layouts option here, that is this icon, select Stretch to full width or choose Custom Alignment if you want. Now, you can drag or resize strips to ensure there's no overlap. So you'll have to basically place your cursor at the edge of the strip and drag it in order to increase its size. Now, use docking settings to align text and elements properly inside the strip. Switch to mobile view, rearrange elements that overflow the strip, use hide on mobile if a strip doesn't fit, and duplicate content in a better format. Once your strips are fixed, preview again and publish. Strips should now align smoothly on all devices. For more Wix design tips, like and subscribe.